Hey Tyron, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So taking a look at your website, you got a nice header here. You got your all your different menus and of course your click to call, which is awesome. Then of course going through, get a quote, sending them to your contact us, which is great. And then you talk about um, a little bit about you, your experience, how long you've been in the business, the different services you offer, and of course, yeah, that you have a lot, a lot going on, which is amazing. Um, then, of course, going down, the different flooring you work with, the pre-finished floors, as well as how many successful projects, which 712. It's that's great. You're doing awesome. I'm gonna be honest with that one. And then, of course, going down, you hit the bottom of the site. So I'm not seeing a ton of words throughout the site. I'm seeing a lot of pictures, but as far as content wise, like going deeper in depth, I'm not seeing a lot of that. What Google truly is looking for nowadays is about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage alone. And then, of course, you want 5 to 750 words on all your other service pages. The reason for that is so that you can organically place keywords throughout your content. Now, what a keyword is a buyer intent word someone's putting into Google in order to find your specific service in their area. Now, I did look through, I did look through your entire site. I never found a single word that attaches you to a certain area. So Google doesn't know where to put you as well. So they don't know if that you're in Denver, Colorado, because it's nowhere on your site. Now, before we get deeper into that, let's check behind the scenes about your website. So the way we do that is with Ahrefs. Now, I'm not 100% sure if this is a new site or I'm going to be honest, I'm not sure. This might be a brand new site. However, the two things we look at are the UR and the DR rating. Now, the UR is the strength of your site. As you can see, no data. And the DR is the trust Google places in your site. As you can see, once again, it's 0. The reason being is because you have no backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, the more strong backlinks you have, the better it is for you because that'll show Google that you're strong and trustworthy because you have many sites that are leading back to your own. Now, another important thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? So you're ranking for, actually, you're only ranking for 2 in the US, and that's your own name. Seymour Flooring and Carpet Gallery, Seymour, Indiana. So you're not ranking for any buyer intent words that someone can find for you. And actually, this one is lost. So the only one you're actually ranking for is Seymour Flooring, which is your own name. So not very helpful for you. Now, let's check out what a great buyer intent word in your area would be. And that's flooring, Colorado Springs. So if someone is looking for flooring, no matter the type, hardwood or otherwise, will be putting this or would be more likely to put this in. Now, first things up, you're going to have your Google guaranteed. These are the people that are going to be that went through a process to get the green check mark. Now, the way they keep that status is by answering their Google generated numbers to show Google that they deserve that check mark. Now, the next thing is your GMB. Now, the Google Map Hack is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these 3 people, just because that's the easiest thing to do. Then, of course, you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. Now, your top competitor is the Floor Trader in Colorado Springs. So let's check them out. So first things up, they have their nice header. They have their logo. They have their drop downs, the different floors they work with. Let's do that. They have their click to call number, which is great. And they are a store with physical locations. So they put the different floors that they sell. However, it doesn't mean that they can't get those sales and then subcontract it out, or they have their own people as well. And as you can see, they don't have too much content on their homepage either. But let's check behind the scenes and see why they're number 1. So first things first, as you can see, they have a strength of 32 and a trust of 4.5. Now, ideally, we want both these numbers in the 30 to 40 range, but everyone has something they can work on. Most websites don't hit the mark, but they're doing really well. As you can see, they have 1,300 different backlinks helping their website along, as well as they're ranking for over 600 different organic keywords. So let's check them out. So the first thing is Flooring Colorado Springs. 600 people a month are searching that. They're in the first real position and they're getting 247 traffic just from that one buyer intent word. Flooring Store Colorado, Stores Colorado Springs. 300 people, first real position, 111 people from that. Flooring Store Colorado Springs, 250, first real position, 96 people from that. So as you can see, I know these three actually don't matter because they're their own name, but all the other ones, they're ranking for hardwood. 300 people, they're in the second or third position, so they're not even the top, and they're still getting 28 people from that. So they're ranking for great buyer intent keywords, so they're getting that traffic because of it. Now, if you're looking to get that traffic for yourself, first things first, you need those backlinks. So you want to beat your competitor on backlinks. They have 1,300 in about 60. You want 1,500. The great thing is you know where to start. You know that their 1,360 got them to the top. So what you want to do, you want to take their good ones, add them to your own, and then add some more on top of that to get to the 1,500. So you start raising that URDR rating to get your rankings up, as well as you've got to get that content. You want to put 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage, 5 to 750 words on your service pages, so that you can organically place those buyer intent words that you saw. Flooring Colorado Springs, Flooring Store Colorado Springs, Hardwood Flooring Colorado Springs, so that people know, so that Google will know that you're trying to rank for those areas. Because if you're just generic and say flooring, Google's not going to know to place you in Colorado Springs. So if you put those two together, more content to put those keywords in and stronger website, you should start seeing more traffic through your site and more calls through your website. Now, I hope you all found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome.